How to change Google Classroom password. Hello everybody, you may follow up this step in order to do so. So once you open up Google Classroom, you will be finding this interface. At the top left of your screen, you should be finding three horizontal lines. You can tap on it to open up a menu. Now from the given menu, you may go ahead and select the option called Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, from these options on your screen, select the option called Account Settings. Tap on it, the first option. And then after you tap on it, you will be taken to Google Account Settings. So from this, you need to swipe right and head over the option called Security. And from Security as well, scroll down and you should be finding option called Password. Tap on it. And then once you tap on it, here you will be finding this section. So here, all you gotta do is create a strong password and don't use it for other accounts. So in this new password section, go ahead and type in your new password, and right below it, confirm your new password and tap on change password. And once that is done, your password should be changed for your Google account as well and your Google Classroom. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. So subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.